That HMA file stores VPN connection configuration for HideMyAss, the settings that establish your encrypted tunnel to HMA's privacy servers. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll help you configure or troubleshoot these VPN connection files. For those rare occasions when Windows and standard apps fail to open your HMA, I'll reveal the dedicated third-party solution that serves as my professional failsafe. HMA files are VPN connection configuration files for HideMyAss HMA VPN service. They contain server addresses, protocol settings, encryption parameters, and authentication data for establishing secure VPN tunnels through the HMA network infrastructure. HMA VPN configuration files store OpenVPN-compatible settings including remote server addresses, port numbers, encryption, cipher specifications, certificate references, and connection protocol preferences. They are processed by the HMA client or compatible OpenVPN software. The recommended application from Privax Limited for handling HMA is unequivocally HMA VPN. Windows might mistakenly flag the file as corrupt without specialized context. Windows cannot guarantee changes are safe, so misediting can cause instability. Your first step towards data access: right-click the HMA file and select Open With. If HMA VPN is on your system, try that first. If not, try another option immediately. If the HMA file still will not open, there is no need to stress. Let's quickly diagnose the core issue. Before we implement the universal tool, here are the technical causes that lead to this persistent HMA problem. First, importing the configuration. Open the HMA VPN client application and navigate to Settings, then Import Configuration. Browse to the HMA file and import it to add the VPN server configuration to your connection list. Alternatively, import the file into the OpenVPN client as a standard OVPN configuration. Next, connecting to VPN. After importing the HMA configuration, select the server from your VPN client server list and click Connect. Enter your HMA account credentials when prompted. The VPN client will establish an encrypted tunnel to the specified server for secure internet browsing. Finally, troubleshooting connection issues. If the VPN connection fails, verify your HMA subscription is active and credentials are correct. Try switching between TCP and UDP protocols in the connection settings. Check that your firewall is not blocking VPN traffic on the configured port numbers. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. A universal viewer is designed to act as a versatile tool for identifying many formats, providing a reliable way to attempt access when standard programs have failed. It's time for the master key. When the simpler solutions for your file were unsuccessful, you need the format-agnostic power of FileMagick. Get the download link at filemagick.com. We appreciate your support. Please take a second to hit the like button and join the subscribers.